All right, so we're going to learn how to take mass using a digital scale. Now, the first thing you want to do with your digital scale is make sure it's turned on and make sure that it's showing 0.0 and that it's on grams. If it's not showing 0.0, okay, you want to click your 0 button, which is also your on button, and it'll make it turn to 0 again. Now, if we're taking a mass of an object that is pretty solid and pretty large, we can set it right on top of our digital scale, like this. So this object weighs 49.5 grams. That's pretty easy. But what if we want to take the mass of a powder? So in this case, what if I want about 2.3 grams of this powder? Well, I'm not going to dump the powder right onto our digital scale. That's going to be really messy. Okay, so instead, we're going to use something called a weigh boat. So we put the weigh boat on first. Now, I'm not going to take my mass at this point. Instead, I want to get rid of the mass of the weigh boat. So I'm going to hit the 0. And now we're at 0. Now I can use my scoopula, and I can start adding some of my powder until I get up to 2.3 grams. So at this point, I have 2.3 grams of my powder. It's in my weigh boat. We've kept our digital scale nice and clean. And now I could move this powder towards my experiment, and I'm ready to use it. And that's the proper way to use a digital scale.